In three, two, one. Already.
Good morning, Hanilu. Welcome to your interview for the Chief Executive Officer position at Brew and Bite. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Sarah. With over 8 years in executive management within tech cafe ecosystems, my vision for Brew and Bite is to seamlessly blend high quality artisanal coffee with tech driven community workspaces to drive operational profitability and brand expansions.
How do you handle high pressure strategic decisions under tight deadlines?
I prioritize data driven analysis and rapid risk assessment. In my previous executive role, when a major operational supplier backed out 2 days before a store launch, I quickly led my team to evaluate secondary vendors, renegotiated contracts, and opened the store on schedule with zero revenue loss.
What is your greatest leadership strength?
My greatest strength is strategic foresight. I excel at identifying market trends early, such as integrating remote work amenities into food and beverages spaces and translating them into structured, profitable business operation.
How do you handle disagreement or pushback from senior management?
I encourage open discourse and active listening. When my management team disagreed on an automated ordering system budget last year, I gathered the team to review financial forecasts together, address their workload concerns, and reach a consensus that saved us 15% in capital expenditure.
Where do you see Brew and Bite's market presence in 3 to 5 years?
I envision Brew and Bite expanding into three new regional locations, establishing an integrated digital loyalty platform, and becoming the recognized leader in tech integrated community spaces.
Why are you the best candidate to lead Brew and Bite as CEO?
I bring a proven track record of scaling hybrid food and tech ventures, strong leadership in crisis management, and a passion for creating sustainable business growth.
How do you ensure operational quality stays consistent during rapid expansion?
By establishing standardized operating procedures, implementing regular qualities audits across all branches, and investing in continuous leadership development for store managers. Thank you for your time, Sarah. I'm eager to lead Brew and Bite into its next growth phase.
Thank you, Hanilu. We will share our panel evaluation shortly.
Good morning, Anis. Welcome to your interview for Assistant Manager at Brew and Bite. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Hanilu. I have 3 years of experience in cafe operation, specializing in teams scheduling, inventory control, and staff coordination. I pride myself on maintaining smooth workflow during fast-paced shift.
How do you resolve unexpected staff shortages during peak operational hours?
I cross-train our flow team so staff can flex into multiple roles. Last month, when two barista called in sick during a morning rush, I immediately resigned to train a floor server to handle espresso prep and order taking, keeping customer wait time under 4 minutes.
What is your primary strength as a manager?
Operational efficiency and team leadership. I focus on optimism, store layout, and daily checklists to keep staff motivated and workflow organized.
How do you deal with an unhappy customer complaining about service speed?
I listen empathetically, apologize sincerely for the inconvenience, and offer an immediate solutions such as a fresh replacement or a complementary item. Afterward, I review the shift log with the team to fix the underlying delay.
Where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years at Brew and Bite?
I plan to step up into a store general manager role, taking full responsibility for running new branch outlet as Brew and Bites expand.
Why should we select you as assistant manager?
My hand, my hands-on experience in managing high volume shift and my commitment to high service standard make me a dependable leader for your daily store operation.
How do you track inventory levels to minimize food waste?
I execute daily stock audit using the first in, first out method and track sale logs to adjust weekly ingredient order accurately. Thank you, Hanilu. I look forward to supporting Brew and Bites leadership team.
Thank you, Hanis. We will update you on the outcomes soon.
Good morning, Nur Ashikin. Welcome to your interview for Commis Chef. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Hanis. I hold a culinary art diploma and have 2 years of professional kitchen experience. I specialize in preparing fresh cafe mix, maintaining food hygiene standard, and delivering consistent plate presentation.
How do you handle high order volume during peak breakfast and lunch hour?
I maintain rigorous mise en place preparation before service begin. During a recent lunch surge with over 50 order, I keep my prep station organized and communicate continuously with the line chef, completing every tickets without our 10-minute target.
What is your main strength in the kitchen environment?
Attention to detail and consistency. I ensure every dish that leaves the past meet exact portioning, temperature, and visual presentation guideline.
How do you respond when a senior chef gives you critical feedback on dish preparation?
I receive feedback professionally as an opportunity to improve. When my head chef noted my plating speech was slow, I took his technical advice, the assembly technique, and improved my output speed by 30%.
Where do you see your culinary career in 3 to 5 years?
I am to advance into a demi chef or sous chef position, help it design fresh seasonal menu of brew and baking.
Why are you the right fit for Brew and Bites kitchen team?
I bring the Solon Broccoli. How do you mean?
Technical precision.
I bring technical precision, strong kitchen integrity, and deducted work that align perfectly with your commitment to high culinary quality.
How do you manage food safety and kitchen hygiene during busy shift?
I strictly follow HACCP HAPS guideline, monitor refrigerator temperature regularly, and sanitize food contact surface between prep tasks. Thank you, Hanis. I am excited about the chance to.
Thank you, Nur Ashikin. We appreciate your time today.
Good morning, Genova. Welcome to your interview for marketing and community specialist. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Nur Ashikin. I hold a degree in mass communication with a focus on digital engagement. I specialize in community building, social media campaign, execution, and even coordination tailored for tech-minded audiences.
How will you design a campaigns to increase local teach communication at Brew and Betty?
I would launch a weekly bite and head networking meetup During a past event campaign, I organized a local developer workshop that drew over 80 attendance and increased off-peak revenue by 25%.
What is your strongest skill in marketing?
Community management and social engagement. I excel at converting casual customers into loyal brand advocates through interactive online content and targeted events.
How do you handle negative comment and feedback on social media?
I address them within 2 hours with a calm, helpful response. I acknowledge the issue publicly, move the detailed conversation to direct message to resolve it, and follow up to ensure customer satisfaction.
Where do you see yourself in 3 or
Where is Genova?
Genova is, can we continue it? Genova?
Question 4?
Vera,
Where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years?
I envision growing into a community lead role, managing multi-channel brand outreach across all regional brew and bike branches.
Why should we hire you for the role?
My creative event execution, social media skills, and deep connection with local community networks directly support brew and bike hybrid growth strategy.
What key metric would you track to measure event success?
I measure attendee registration volume, social media engagement rates before and after the event, and overall store turnover generated during event hours. Thank you, Naasi King. I'm excited about building a thriving community at Brew and Bike.
Thank you, Geneva. We will contact you soon.
Good morning, Sarah. Welcome to your interview for Marketing and Sales Lead. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Genova. I have 4 years of experience driving multi-channel digital campaigns and sales strategies within the F&B sector. My focus is leveraging market analytics to optimize consumer acquisition.
How do you develop a sales campaign that drives customer foot traffic on slow weekdays?
I analyze sales performance trends to spot low traffic hours and create targeted promotions. Last year, I designed an afternoon brew and work bundle for remote workers, boosting weekday afternoon revenue by 35%. Mayari
Genova?
Lu.
Genova. Hello, you there? Genova?
Hello, can you
So,
hear me?
so you're in a
Sorry.
question to know.
What is your biggest professional strategy?
Data-driven strategy execution. I use sales conversion metrics and performance data to refine ad spend and maximize return on investment.
How do you handle budget limitation when launching a campaign?
I prioritize high ROI channels like organic social media, local community partnerships, and referral incentives that generate buzz without requiring heavy ad spending.
Where do you see yourself professionally in 3 to 5 years?
I aim to progress into a regional head of marketing position, leading strategic brand positioning as Brew and Bite scales nationally.
Why are you the ideal choice for marketing and sales lead?
I offer a blend of analytical rigor, creative campaign execution, and a proven track record of converting marketing efforts into sales revenue.
How do you collaborate with store staff to ensure marketing promotion runs smoothly?
I brief store management 2 weeks before launching any promo. Creating clear operational guidelines to the floor team is fully prepared to execute. Thank you, Genova. I am eager to drive growth for Brew and Bite.
Thank you, Sarah. That include our individual interviews.
Team, let's begin our hiring panel discussion to evaluate our candidate performances and finalize decisions for Brew and Bite.
Everyone delivered structured answer using the STAR method. Hanido clearly demonstrated executive presence and long-term vision necessary for the CEO position.
I agree. On the operational side, Hannes provided clear conflict resolution examples for assistant manager, while Noor Asyikin showcase strict food safety practices for Commis Chef.
In marketing, Sarah presents data-backed sales strategies and my own responses cover local community engagement effectively.
According to our scoring rubrics, every team member performed about 80% across communication, professional presentation, and group competition.
The panel hereby approves the selection of all candidates for their respective roles at Brew and Bite. Excellent job, everyone. We're done.
Lu,
Yes,
hindi na ako na.
all okay?
Check nyo muna.
I hope so. It's okay. Bye.
Yeah.